Hey everyone, welcome to Vet Visit. I'm Dr. Hansika Singh and I'm a veterinarian. A lot of you were requesting me a video on RVC. So in this video, we'll discuss some basic points about Remount Veterinary Corps, and hopefully by the end of this video, you will get some idea about it. Let's get started. First, let's start with the eligibility criteria. Age limit. The candidate should be between 21 to 32 years. Minimum educational qualification, it should be BVSc and AS degree from VCI recognized university. Also, the candidate must have passed the qualifying examination with internship at the time of submission of application. The candidate should be a citizen of India. Also, the applications are invited only from qualified male veterinary graduates, so female candidates cannot apply. Now moving to the selection procedure. First, there is shortlisting followed by SSB, which is Services Selection Board interview, which tests the candidate's psychology, physical fitness, IQ, technical acumen, and it is a 5 days process. And then when the candidate is recommended by SSB, he is put through medical examination. So basically the candidate has to clear both the SSB interview and medical board. And later merit list of the candidates recommended by SSB and declared medically fit will be prepared. Next comes grant of commission. As many of you must be knowing that in army there is a rank below the captain, which is of lieutenant. But in RVC the candidates are directly commissioned in the rank of captain. Now let's talk about training. Selected candidates are detailed on post-commission training at RVC Center and College, Meerut Cant for a period of 4 months. And then there will be directly posting. So after the training is completed and when they are sent for posting, there is a period of 1 year of probation period. All officers granted commission would serve for a period of 5 years from the date of conferment of commission. There may be further extension of 5 years subject to their performance, which makes it 5 plus 5 equal to 10 years. The officers have an option to leave after 5 years or after 10 years of service, and if they don't get permanent commission, they anyway have to leave after 10 years. Now let's talk about applying for permanent commission. There are total 3 attempts. Within the 10 years, they are allowed to give their first attempt after 2 years of service, and the other 2 attempts can be given between 2nd year of service to 8th year of service. Promotion up to the rank of Lieutenant Colonel is time bound, and then there will be boards like from Lieutenant Colonel to Colonel, from Colonel to Brigadier, from Brigadier to Major General, from Major General to Lieutenant General. Antedate seniority. If a candidate has done his PG and has his provisional degree certificate before joining RVC, he gets 1 year of antedate seniority, which means that candidate is considered 1 year senior for promotions to other candidates who have not done their PG. And also a candidate who has done his PhD gets 2 years of antedate seniority. Next, coming to how to apply. So they have a very clear guideline for filling the application form, provided with even a sample form filled out. So candidates must make sure that they fill the application form very carefully and provide the attach the necessary documents, and if everything goes well, then there shouldn't be any problem in getting the interview call. So if you're really interested in joining RVC, there are some things that you need to keep in mind. First, you need to be ready to have a disciplined life, because RVC is a part of army and you need to have some traits of army man. In fact, during the SSB interview, there are some officer-like qualities which are identified by them and which you also develop over time. Also, you should be ready to work as a team leader and also as a team member. If you think that after joining RVC, you will just have to treat the animals, that's not going to be the scenario. Of course, you'll have to treat the animals, but along with that, you will have to handle the administration also, because you are going to be an officer and there will be men under your command. So you will have to handle things as a technical officer. Also, it is a wonderful opportunity to travel around the world. RVC officers get opportunity to join UN missions. So that's it for this video. You must have got some idea about Remount Veterinary Corps, and I'm hoping that you found this video useful and that you liked it. And if you did, then please give it a thumbs up and do share this video with your friends who are looking forward to joining RVC. And do let me know in the comment section below that on which topics would you want me to make the further videos. Also, if you are new to this channel, then welcome. Please consider subscribing and do hit the bell icon while you're subscribing to Vet Visit. Also, do follow the Instagram and Facebook page of Vet Visit as well. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourselves and keep loving animals.